It's awesome to see that more than 500 people from around the globe found their way to Salzburg, to this wonderful location, to join us in zenonIZE.
The magical city of Mozart really bring a very good atmosphere for us to really enjoy and go deep into COPA-DATA's products and innovation.
We are pleased to welcome so many of our valued customers and partners here in Salzburg, in the hometown of Zenon.
First of all, we benefit by strengthening the connection with COPA-DATA. Then second, of course, is a great networking opportunity to see what is going on in the market and also to connect to potential partners and customers and just share ideas and insights.
My favorite part in zenonIZE is the networking in between. The presentations are great, but taking the chance to speak with all our partners in one day is just awesome.
When I have new starters, I'm a principal engineer and I run the engineering software team for the energy business. I get new starters to do Zenon as the SCADA system when they come in and they're training, because this is the easiest one for them to pick up and it's the one we like to deploy. And we use it now more than just on substation control systems. We're using it on other things that we're doing, which means it's sort of our business unit go-to really for a SCADA system.
I think it's a great event for COPA-DATA partners and customers. That's absolutely amazing. You don't have this possibility normally, and it's a completely different thing if you are here in person, if you talk directly and you connect with the people. It's different than always doing it remotely.
Being on stage in this kind of location was great. The room was full and a lot of interest, so it was just great. It was a great opportunity.
I'm really very impressed by the presentations from the speakers. So Zenon shows itself that it orchestrates the digital future, turning industrial complexities into digital symphonies.